right, left-hand side, let's do E. So 120 is second quadrant, positive for sine. So this is the same as sine 60. All right, tan 300, fourth quadrant. We'll just go all stations to central, so it's negative. So it's a negative 10, and it's 60 as well. Then we've got minus. Here we've got cos of 240. So cos of 240 is the third quadrant, and it's 60 degrees into that quadrant. So it's going to be negative cos 60. So negative cos 60. And we've also got cot in the fourth quadrant. So that's the reciprocal of tan. So you can think of it as just tan in the fourth quadrant. Oh, that's negative as well. So I'm going to times by tan 45. There. So instead of cot, remember cot is 1 on tan. So dividing by 1 on tan is timesing by tan. All right, sine 60 is root 3 on 2. And then I'm multiplying by the reciprocal. So think about it. I'm doing the opposite now. It's cot. So it's a reciprocal of tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So this is going to be 1 on root 3. Hope that's okay. Minus, minus. So that's a minus. And then I can forget about those other minuses. So cos 60 is a half. Tan 45 is 1. So we've got, and those cancel, so we've got negative a half, which is negative 1. Whoops, negative 1. All right, that's our left-hand side. Let's have a look at our right-hand side, which happens to be tan of 240 all squared. So tan of 240, we're in the second quadrant, so all stations. So no, we're in the third quadrant. Tan is positive. So that's the same as tan 60, but squared. And then cosec is the reciprocal of sine. And sine 330 is negative. So not that it matters, it's being squared. Whoops. So cosec 330 is the same as cosec, that's a cosec 30, and we're squaring that. So negative cosec 30, and we're squaring that. So tan 60 is root 3, so root 3 squared. I'll just put root 3 squared for a second. Minus times minus is positive. Now cosec, remember, is the reciprocal, so it's the same as 1 on sine 30. Now sine 30 is a half, so if I reciprocate that, I get 2. So this will be a 2 squared. So I'll say that again, is a half. Hang on, cosec is 1 on a half, which is 2. Yeah, that's right. So that is a 2 squared. That is correct. So that's 3 minus 4, which is a negative 1. Yep, that works. So then we can say, therefore, the left-hand side equals the right-hand side, and it all works nicely. So just to go over that, so cosec 30 is equal to 1 on sine 30. Sine 30 is a half. So we're saying 1 divided by a half is 1 times by 2 on 1, which is 2. Oops, which is 2.